Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at Apex 2016 and I'm joined by Jason from Saline Lectronics. Jason, thanks for stopping by to chat. You're manufacturing manager at Saline. You're doing some stuff with Industry 4.0, which we're hearing a lot about in Europe, a lot about in Asia, but not so much here in America. What kind of got you on that trail and how's that process looking?
We're finding that we gather a lot of data, and if we don't have everything talking to each other, the data doesn't get to where it needs to be. Mm-hmm. So we're doing some Factory 4.0 stuff with our SPIs to our printers, our AOIs to our SPIs, and if we can't get the information where it needs to be, it doesn't do us any good. So we're also working a lot with the inventory controls. We're using Factory 4.0 to get the material where it needs to be. Mm-hmm. We have some inventory towers, and we're using our partner Codgescan to help us let when the machines are about to run out of parts, the inventory towers automatically are kicking out parts, and we can get them to the machines long before they ever long out.
Okay. And what got you started on the trail? Was there a request from customer for more traceability, more data, or was it just something you recognized internally?
We recognized internally that we needed to be faster. We needed to get it right the first time. Rework is very expensive, and so if we can prevent the rework from happening, keep the lines running, provide cost-effective solutions to our customers, it makes us more competitive in the marketplace. So it's very difficult to compete against not only the U.S. markets but the Asian markets. So any ways we can bring those costs down, that's what we're looking for.
Yeah, and it's costs are one element of it. Quality improvement, getting that traceability as a byproduct of all that data is important as well. And I guess you're in a very high mix, lowish volume environment. Does it actually speed up that process of introducing new products to the line as well?
Oh, absolutely. Especially in the beginning when you're developing the printing processes, the SPI information is absolutely critical to developing that. So if we can get that information to the machines and make better decisions about which processes we should be using during our printing programs, it makes a huge difference.
Yeah, so greater speed to market there and more stickiness, I guess, for your customers. And a lot of people are kind of nervous of how they would start that Industry 4.0 process. A lot of people think, we're just going to have to basically build a new facility. Sure. You've done it in kind of sensible steps. What is the first step people need to take?
I think you have to choose the partner that will be the communication hub for all the different areas. We've chosen a partner that works with our pick and place. They work with our inventory systems. They work with our AOIs and our SPI. So they were a natural fit. And with that choice, then everything starts to build around that.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about that partnership and how it came about.
So we started working with a company called Codgescan about 5 years ago for traceability purposes. They allowed us to get to the point where we can have traceability down to the reference designator. So that was our first real forte together. Then we started using them to help us with our setup processes, and so we can get the right feeder to the right location at the right time. And then it started to develop from there, and we built off the Juki machines, and then after that we built into the decks, and now we're working with the oven manufacturers and those types of things.
Okay, so you're building the whole picture using that Codgescan backbone.
Yes.
Fantastic. Well, Jason, thanks for stopping by. Continued success with that, and we'll talk again soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much.